Want to showcase your photos and videos in a polished, interactive gallery on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the media listing block from Blocks, perfect for building image or video gallery with various layouts like Grid, Masonry, Metro, or Carousel. I'll walk you through setting up filtering options, Lightbox pop-ups, and styling. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Block Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Block Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Block Pro plugin, go to Block, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Blocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Block Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the media listing block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for media listing. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of media listing block from Blocks. From the Layout tab, you can create image gallery or video gallery. From the Type section, we have two options. You can select images to create an image gallery or videos to create video gallery. We'll see the images option first. Then from the Style section, you will find 4 predefined styles. Each will give a unique look to your media listing. Let's see this one. Obviously, you have to adjust the title and description style. Style 2, Style 3, and Style 4. Then from the layout, you can create a grid layout, you can create a masonry layout, you can create a metro layout, or you can create a carousel. We'll see each option one by one. Let's see the grid first. Then from the pop-up layout, you can select the layout as default. This will open the media in a pop-up like this. If you select none, then it will not open in a pop-up. So let's keep it to default. From the content tab, you can add the images. Here you will find 2 ways to add the images. Normal, to create a basic image gallery. Here you have to add images from your media library. With the repeater option, you can create a more advanced image gallery. You have to use these repeater items to add the images. Let's see the option you will find them. From the upload image section, you can add an image. Then you can add a title, caption. Then you can add a category that can be used to filter the images by category, which we'll see in a bit. You can add multiple categories separated by comma. From the select icon section, you can add an icon or image. For icon, you can add font awesome icon or dash icons, or you can add an image as well. Let's keep it to none for now. Then from the link field, you can add an external link to the image. You can click on the Add Content button to add more images. Then from the Column Manage tab, you can set the number of columns in a row. Then you can adjust the column gap. Then from the Filter tab, you can add a category-wise filter. We'll see that option in a bit. Then in the Extra Options tab, you will find some additional options. From the Display Title toggle, you can show or hide the title. Then from the title tag, you can change the title tag. From the display image size, you can select the size for your image. In the display content toggle, you can show or hide the caption. If I've added a custom link over here, then you have to use this option, box link. You have to enable it. Then you have to enable the force custom URL. Only then the custom URL link will work on the image. Then from the display button toggle, you can add a button to the image. You can change the button text, you can adjust the typography, color. Then from the disable lazy loading toggle, you can disable the lazy loading. Now let's see the masonry layout. This is how it looks. we'll find the same options over here. Now let's see the metro layout option. This is how it looks for metro layout. In the column managers tab, we'll find some additional options. You can again select the number of columns you want in a row. Then from the select style section, you can add different style to your metro layout. You can even add custom layout. You have to use custom values for the layout. You can use values like this. You can change the values to adjust the layout. Rest of the options are same. Let's say the carousel layout. This will allow you to create an image carousel. Now let's see the category filter option. We'll use this demo. For this, you have to use the repeater option and then add category to each repeater item like we have added over here. Then in the filters, you have to enable the category wise filter toggle. This will add the filters. From the all category text, you can add a text to show all the items. Then from the filter style, you can select a predefined style. Then you can select a predefined hover style, and you can align the filters. Let's see how it looks. Now let's see the videos type. Here again, we'll find 4 predefined styles. You can select from 4 layout types. In the content for videos, you will find these repeater items only. You have to use them to add the videos. Let's see the options. First, you have to select your video source. You can add video from your media library. You can add video from YouTube. You can add video from Vimeo. Let's see the normal option. In this, you have to add the video from your media library. Then you can add an overlay image. You can add title, caption. You can add category. Again, you can add icon and link. For YouTube, you have to add the YouTube video ID that you want to add. And Vimeo, you have to add the Vimeo video ID that you want to add. The rest of the options are similar as we have seen in the image type. In the style tab, we'll find all the styling options required to customize this block. These options will vary depending on the selected layout. Let's suppose we select style 1. Here we'll find this pop-up icon. From here, you can show or hide an icon on hover. From here, you can adjust selected icon or an image. You can adjust the icon color, icon size, spacing for normal and hover states. From here, you can adjust the icon style that we have added in the repeater item. You can adjust the icon size, icon color, above spacing, below spacing for normal and hover states. Then from the title styling tab, you can adjust the image title, typography. You can even add global typography. You can adjust the title color for normal and hover states. You can adjust the above spacing, below spacing. Then from the caption styling, you can adjust the caption styling typography. You can adjust the content text color for normal and hover states. You can adjust above spacing, below spacing. Then from the content background tab, you can adjust the normal background and hover background for the media item. From the featured image tab, you can adjust the image style. From the background, you can add a background overlay for the image. You can add different filters to the image. You can do that for normal and hover states. Then from the box loop background, you can adjust the styling of each repeater item. From the box border toggle, you can add a border radius for normal and hover states. You can add box shadow for normal and hover states. From the fancy box options tab, you can adjust this fancy box style. You will see this option if you have selected this pop-up layout as default. From here, you can add different buttons to the fancy box. Then you can adjust the thumbnail style. You can add the loop option. You can show or hide image counter. You can show or hide arrows. You can show or hide titles. You can add different transition effects. You can set the transition duration. You can add different animation effect. You can adjust the animation duration. Then from the post not found option, if you have not added any image, it will show an error message. From here, you can adjust that message style. You can add padding. You can adjust typography, text color. You can adjust background, border, box shadow. If you have selected the carousel layout, then we'll see this carousel options in the style tab. From here, you can adjust the carousel style. From here, you can select the slider mode to horizontal or vertical. You can adjust the slide speed. You can select any slide as active. From the next previous dropdown, you can slide one column or all visible column at once. You can adjust the column gap. You can make the slider draggable. You can loop the slider infinitely. From the pause and hover toggle, you can pause the slider on mouse over. Then from the autoplay toggle, you can autoplay the carousel. You can adjust the autoplay speed as well. Then from the show dots toggle, you can add dots navigation. You can select from different predefined styles. You can adjust the border color. You can adjust the above spacing. From on hover dots toggle, you can show the dots navigation on mouse over only. Then from the show arrows toggle, you can add arrows to the carousel. You can select from different predefined styles. You can adjust the background color, icon color, hover background color, hover icon color. From outer arrows toggle, you can place the arrows outside this carousel. From on hover arrows toggle, you can show the arrow on mouse over only. Then from the center mode toggle, you can adjust the center slide style. You can adjust the padding. You can add different slide effects. You can add scale to the center slide. You can adjust the normal slide scale. You can adjust the normal slide opacity to create a difference between the active and normal slides. Then from the trim space toggle, you can trim some spaces. Then from the wheel navigation toggle, you can change the carousel slide with mouse wheel. If you enable the wait for transition toggle, you can change the slide only after the transition ends. Then from the keyboard navigation toggle, you can change the carousel slide with keyboard arrows. Then from the auto scroll toggle, you can automatically scroll the slide. And from the speed, you can adjust the scrolling speed. If you have enabled the category wise filter, you will find this filter category option in the style tab. From here, you can adjust the category typography. You can adjust inner padding, margin. You can adjust the category filter color, background, border, category count color, box shadow for normal and hover states. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the media listing block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.